Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to download and install the TV Cast application to your Hisense Smart TV. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So to install TV Cast is simple. On your Hisense Smart TV, just look for your app store which should look the same like mine, because this is the brand app store for Hisense Smart TV. If it doesn't look the same like mine, then you are not using the right app store. So come over here and search the application, which is the simplest thing to do. Just go here and type in TV Cast, which is simply TV and Cast. As you simply type in CAST. So that's the application TV Cast. On the search, you are going to get this. So here's the application TV Cast. Just click on it once, and it's going to bring you to the installation page of your application. So just click on install, and the application is going to install in less than a second. Once you install, you can choose the position on your app, and then you are good to go, and that's the application. So you can launch the application now, and you can start casting from your phone or mobile phone uh to your TV. So that's the application. Here is the instructions to cast, so you can read there to see the instructions to scan. To scan the QR code and download TV Cast on your phone also or tablet, enter the cast look icon in the top right of the app to show your IP address and lots more. So that's just how to install the application and use it on your Hisense Smart TV.